All right, today's something a little bit different. I'm going to try and do it with my hands and actually unbox a package. I now have hopefully 10 fragrances. However, what I noticed was the package was kind of open when I got it. So we'll take a look. So I'm going to unbox it now. So as you can see, this opens right here. It kind of popped open, and this split open right here. However, I still see stuff in there, so let's find out. All right. This is from Joma Shop. I ordered like 10 fragrances, so let's find out. All of them are clones, and I think most of them are all Lattafa. So here's the first one. Here's number 2, the Pride of Lattafa. I'm not sure what that means, but whatever. I'm honest, I don't even remember what I ordered. If I remember correctly, I don't even know what this fragrance is. I just like the design of it. So this could be a huge mistake, or it could be freaking awesome. So we'll soon find out. I feel like I'm making the Leaning Tower of fragrances. Hopefully nothing goes bad with this, but here's number 4. Here's the next one. This one I have been interested in for a long time. Kind of excited to try it out. I actually don't remember buying this one, but I hear it's really good, so we'll find out soon. Here is number 8. So I ordered 10, but one did not come. I got noticed it's coming later. So this is number 8, and I gotta say, the Leaning Tower is still holding up. See if we can get the last one up there. Boom, son. Check that out. Gold edition. Who knows what that means? All 9 fragrances. So keep an eye on the channel. I will be unboxing these and reviewing them and testing them and trying them. And I have no idea really what I even got. So hopefully these are all good. I'll get back with you soon. Once again, though, for some reason, Joma Shop, instead of giving me samples with a big order, they want me to drink coffee. How did they know that I am an addict? I'm trying to flip this over. So if you're interested in, well, I almost said free, a discount on coffee, use this code. I will not use it, but hey, go for it. All right, this is Nubs Fragrance. I will be talking to you soon with more videos as I unbox these. So follow and subscribe for more info.